It's that God who raised Jesus from the dead, and it's that God who has given us new birth. And he did it because of one particular attribute that moved him to do it, and that's in verse 3 as well. Praise be to the God and Father of our Lord Jesus Christ. In his great, what? Mercy. He's given us new birth. You say, what's mercy? Mercy is when a person is moved by somebody who's in deep trouble. That's mercy. Like the Good Samaritan. When the Good Samaritan helped the guy who had been robbed and beaten and left for dead, that's a perfect picture of mercy. That's exactly what mercy is. Helping somebody who's in desperate straits. And our new birth only happened because God was showing mercy. We were in desperate straits. We at one time didn't have mercy, and so we were without hope in the world. And God showed us mercy because he's a merciful God. That's the reason he did it. And the fact that, this is huge, the fact that he did it for that reason and not some other reason is hugely important to us. Because if God saved us for some other reason besides his mercy, that would leave us in trouble. For example, suppose God saved us, if he saved us because he was following some rule that somebody else imposed on him, that would be bad news for us, because the next time we're in deep trouble and desperate need, if it fell outside the bounds of that rule, then we would be out of luck, because God wouldn't be giving us anything. The fact that it was something inside him that compelled him to do it, something of his very nature, his makeup, the way he is, the fact that that's what compelled him to do it means that we'll always have this mercy. Another connection to this term mercy from the Old Testament is that it's connected with the Old Testament idea of hesed, which is this relational covenant kind of love where you have special benefit from somebody because of a special relationship you have with them. And because of our family relationship with God right now, we always get this mercy. We always get it. Spurgeon had a great line. He said, "No other attribute of God could have helped us had mercy refused." You know, if God's mercy says no to you, then all of his other attributes are only bad news for you. I think Watson said, mercy sweetens all the rest of God's attributes for us. If his mercy says no, then nothing else can help you. All the evil in the whole world is from man's sin. And all the good in the whole world is from God's mercy. All of it. Amen. All of it. And so we love God's mercy. We love the mercy of God, and we love the God of mercy.